Okay, I want to make a quick video on the practice exam because I know some people can't see the other video. First thing I'm going to do here is do some simple formatting. That's merge. This is wrap text. I'm going to make all these bold. I am going to put some sort of color. There's really not much to explain here. Pretty easy. I'm also going to center align these. And I'm also going to put this blue, and I'm going to do full borders. Alright, so what we have here is a grade book. We have students, some tests. First thing we want to do is compute the test average. Now here I'm not doing individually weighted exams. I'm just doing a normal average here. So that would be the average function. And do I need dollar signs? No, we're not looking anywhere outside the row. Okay, so here's the question. If they do 12 homeworks, they're supposed to do 12 homeworks. If you do less than 12, you get a 2-point ding per homework you didn't do. If you do more than 12, like this person, you get an extra point per homework. So that's an if. Okay, and our test is this cell, the number of homeworks that the student did, greater than the requirement? Okay, in Andrea's case, it's false. But if that is true, what I would like to do, if it's greater than, then I'm going to take the number of, if it's true or false, I'm going to take the number of homeworks they did minus the requirement. Okay, and I'm going to take that quantity times, so if this is true, then they did good, so they get a bonus. Else, I'm going to take the same thing I'm going to take that times their penalty. Okay. So in this case, this person was 3 down, so they have a minus 6-point penalty. So again, everywhere I'm looking down here, I need dollar signs. So this 19 needs a dollar sign, 21, the 19 again, and the 20. And that's it. And you can see this person here who did 14 homeworks got 2 bonus points. This person did 4 extra. So the semester average is simply take their test average and add to it their bonus or penalty for the homework. Okay, and what it is, if there's a penalty, it'll subtract 6. So you can see in this case it did. Do I need dollar signs? No, I'm not looking outside the row. And then the grade, of course, we have a lookup table. Now this is a little bit different. This is a H lookup because the table is horizontal. So my lookup value is the semester average. This is what determines what their grade is. This student's semester average. And then the table array is the table where I'm looking up the letter grade, and this always gets dollar signs. And then do I want to return row 1 or row 2? Well, I want the letter grade, so I want to return row 2. And that's that with that. If you want a quick charting example, I think the one that I did in class, if I wanted name and hold the control, maybe you want something like a column chart. You know, you could have something like that. Or maybe if I wanted to show how they all did, actually, on all the exams, but make sure you wouldn't select the test average here because that would throw the whole thing off. This would be a good example of a stacked column chart. Like this. So you can see their individual exam scores. And that's really about it. Again, before I close, the hardest thing was this if statement here. If you maybe zoom up on that, but that's how that thing works. And that's it.